Hello, I'm Alan from Technology Moments and we're here to show you the experience that we had with this fantastic smart camera, the P6, which features 2K high dynamic range, motion detection and motion tracking, something we really liked. Night vision, notifications, sirens, spotlights and more. Sample footage you'll see at the end of this video. It comes well packaged. It includes the quick setup and the user's manual, the setup adapter so you can set it up as close to you as possible, and the camera itself, which looks actually very nice. Here you can see the comparison with an average smart RGB light bulb, just for you to be able to tell how different in size it is. I wasn't so sure if I should have tested one of these devices, as they for me didn't make much sense. Well, let me tell you, I couldn't have been more wrong about my initial appreciations. Let me show you our experience and you can decide if it is the right choice for you. Setting up this camera, as we've seen with similar models, couldn't be easier. Just connect it to the included adapter and plug it to an extension cord. Remember, these cameras use an E26 connector, but they are fully compatible with the European E27. The only aspect that you cannot absolutely overlook is the fact that you need to have a 2.4 GHz network active, and that you are connected to it with your mobile device at the moment that you're gonna set up your camera. You will just download the app reading a QR code or just by finding the name in your app store. Here you can see the camera is ready. You can, by the way, install a micro SD card right now or at any other future moment. I would strongly suggest you do it with the device off. And once in the device, format the card. Create an account, log into the app, select Add Device, choose the model that you bought, type your Wi-Fi name and password, and it'll generate a QR code with those two parameters. You'll just have to show it to the camera and it'll confirm with a sound. Give a name then to your camera. This is important to be a unique name among your devices. This particularly important if you plan on using Alexa or any Alexa video enabled device to watch your camera. It is important that you test everything you want here when you have it on your desktop, so when you need it, you will know exactly how it works. You can choose from several cloud plans, or you can opt for local recording using a micro SD card. We immediately put it to the test in our balcony. But this is one huge advantage these cameras have and I didn't foresee. Everywhere you have a light bulb socket, you have the potential mounting support ready location. You can even throw an extension cord with many sockets and mount a whole security system in a matter of minutes. Small disadvantages for which there may be many solutions: anyone could turn it off, and it is more difficult to add a UPS protection. But if you use a smart socket, you can add routines to make sure it's always on. Let's take a look at the quality of its recordings, which, aside from reliability, is the most important aspect when using a security camera. Day recordings were fantastic, very sharp, colorful, and compression is very good. As of watching recordings, this is one of the fastest and most responsive cameras that we have used. Just go to the timeline, select the date and time, release, and the video will start playing immediately. Piece of advice here: use well-branded micro SDs, and if you don't mind and really need footage to be secured, use both local and cloud recording. Also, connecting remotely to the app is very good and never fail to give live views. In iOS, it's very common to have apps put to sleep, so just retry streaming to avoid these messages. Motion tracking, as we said at the beginning, is one of the features that we like the most in these budget cameras. Spotlight and siren worked very well, and as you may have seen around, may be very useful when intruders are looking for a way in and you want to let them know that someone's watching. Two-way audio scheduling and 24/7 recording is also available, which is something that many need from their cameras. We also liked night recording, as normal infrared is powerful enough, but spotlight can give you additional boost in terms of visibility. If you have external lights, even color mode can be a good night option, as the sensor it uses is very good. It might just be a little tricky to understand when spotlight activates, as some control is missing regarding this. It would be great for this camera to have position memories for any given object, door, automobile, or person you want to turn to at any given moment. We do not have any negative aspect to consider when using these cameras, and if you continue to watch this video published, our experience continues to be great. Thanks for watching and see you next time.